Hello my dear friends, this is a PaintyKat. My name is Catherine. Today we're gonna paint with acrylic on a canvas and we're gonna paint in a Framer style. It's kind of famous artist and he's well known about his paintings with palette knife and he's been painting with oil. But is it possible to use acrylic for it? And yes, it is. Also, we will use smaller size compared to his paintings. From where to start? Well, I'm using another kind of a tool and it's a flat brush. Flat brush can imitate palette knife work really well. From the start, we need to think about composition in general, and we can use light color just to find spots for the flowers, and we can create the main shape of a flower bouquet. For the vase, I can recommend to use tape. It's really easy because we have a circle shape. So let's put it on a canvas and just be sure you're not touching the bottom edge of the canvas. We can create not just a round shaped vase, it's possible to paint oval as well. Let's move tape a little bit on the left and on the right and just follow the line of the tape shape. That's it. We have an oval shape. Next, we're starting from the background, and what I can recommend to do, try not to over mix colors. Try just mix it with 2 or 3 circles on your palette. This way you will mix them just a little bit, so your flat brush will have many colors same time. You will have a little bit of white, some of a cobalt blue, some of a violet, and at this moment apply this acrylic on a canvas. Each brush stroke looking as a little mosaical piece. It's not too long, about 1 centimeter only, and not too short. Be sure it's really not just a little stripe or little patch. This way you can apply brush strokes, connecting them with each other, and yes, it's looking as a mosaic on a canvas. Very interesting, not boring at all, even if for the background we mostly use just blue and white. And what I like about his style, yes, it's just a tiny little notice. I know beginners sometimes don't like to paint smooth gradients. It can be a tricky thing, especially for big canvases, but here, with this kind of paintings, we don't need to blend smoothly to create those gradients at all. Even if it's looking as a gradient, it's created by tiny brush strokes, looking as a mosaical pieces. My friends, here on a YouTube channel you can see my demonstration versions of tutorials, a real-time tutorial of this painting going for 1 hour and 30 minutes, and it's have all comments about technique, color mixing, brushes I use, and some little tricks that I can share to you. So welcome on my Patreon. All links you can see down below in description box. Thank you everyone who joining me today, and thank you for watching. my painting done. I really hope you like how it's turned, and if you do, if you like to paint, if you're looking for new ideas, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't miss new tutorials. It was a PaintyKat, and I'll catch you on my next videos. Bye bye.